If you want to connect MailChimp to Wistia, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simplest way to link the two using Zapier so you can automate your video marketing and keep your email lists working together more efficiently. This is a great setup if you want to save time, reduce manual work, and make sure the right audience gets the right follow-up after watching your videos. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. Zapier is the automation platform that will act like the bridge between Wistia and MailChimp. Once you're on the dashboard, click on a Create It. This is where you'll start building your automation, also called a Zap. After that, click on Zaps so you can create a new workflow from scratch. Now you'll set up the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that starts the automation. In the search box, type Wistia and click on it when it appears. Wistia will be the app that tells Zapier when something happens, like a viewer action or another event you want to track. Next, choose an event from the list. You can select any event that fits your workflow, depending on what you want to happen inside Zapier. Once you've selected the event, log into your Wistia account so Zapier can connect properly. After the trigger is connected, move on to the action step. Click on Action to choose what Zapier should do next. In the app search field, type MailChimp and click on it. MailChimp will be the destination for the data, which means this is where the information from Wistia will be sent. Then click on Choose an Event and select the MailChimp action that matches your goal. Again, you can choose any available option that works for your setup, depending on how you want your automation to behave. Once you've picked the event, log into your MailChimp account so Zapier can access your list and campaign settings. At this point, your Zap should have both sides connected, Wistia as the trigger and MailChimp as the action. Before you finish, click on Build It in the top area so Zapier can generate the workflow structure. This is where you can review everything and make sure the connection is set up correctly. After that, click on Test Run. Testing is important because it helps confirm that the automation works the way you expect before you make it live. If the test looks good, review the result and make sure the data is being passed properly. Once you're satisfied with the test, the last step is to click Publish. Publishing turns your automation on, so your Wistia and MailChimp connection is now active. From this point forward, Zapier will handle the connection for you automatically, which means less manual work and a much smoother workflow for your marketing process. And that's it. You've now linked MailChimp to Wistia using Zapier. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.